First up, keep a tab on Dalmia Bharat as the promoters are looking to sell up to 30 lakh shares via the offer for sale route today. Also keep an eye on Phenolics Cables. The company has won a 200 crore rupee order for a national optical fiber cable network. There were some earnings which came after market hours yesterday, and starting off first with Thermax, it turned out to be a disappointment on all the fronts. The net sales were down 3%, the profits too fell by more than 13%, and the margins also contracted by 170 basis points with pressure faced from the energy segment as well as the environment segment, both of them. Torrent Pharma on the other side came out with a very good set of results which was a beat on all fronts. The net sales jumped up by 29%, the profits too expanded by 41%, and the margins too strengthened and widened by more than about 80 basis points to come in at 21.7%. Ashok Leyland actually came out with a howler. The third quarterly revenue turned out to be 1900 crores, which is a decline of 19%. We've already seen the kind of volume pressure that the company has been facing as part of the CV industry, which is going through a big churn, and its quarterly loss turned out at 167 crores, more than double on a year-on-year basis, and the highest ever that it has recorded in the history. In fact, it is also the first time it's recorded an EBIT loss. Take a look at Colgate Palmolive. The results were good. The sales were up about 16% year-on-year, and the company has also increased its volume share to about volume growth to about 10% from the earlier expectations of 8 to 9%. The profits, however, were up only 1.8% as the margins face some pressure over here. McLeod Russell came out with a mixed set of numbers. The sales were down 4%, but the profits were up 8%. And lastly, Tata Coffee saw its sales decline by 6%. However, its profits were up by 45%. The boost was largely on the back of tax write-back as well as other exceptional items.